Hello, my love. I am back with my favorite cozy cardigan. I hope that you're having a cozy Saturday as well. Or it's probably Sunday now. I don't know. Whenever you see this, I hope that you're cozy. But I have been creating a lot, as you can probably imagine, because I'm doing the Proud to Feel program in June. And so that's just been a lot of writing the different journal prompts that we'll be going through and actually journaling them out myself to make sure that they work. And one of the prompts that I wrote, I was journaling it out this evening, and I actually got into a huge block where I just found myself like having no idea what to write and feeling really insecure about the question. And I realized as I was just sitting there in my notebook, I don't know, that is the most valuable thing that can happen while you're journaling, is that you hit a blind spot and you become aware of something that you really haven't ever given yourself the space to think about before. And so my mind was like, oh, I actually don't know the answer to this question. I actually have to dig a little bit. I actually have to kind of write out silly stuff and write the word LOL a bunch of times until my mind gets all of that gunk out and I can start actually going somewhere and making progress and hitting a new level in my own transformation. So I'm just so excited about this program. I'm so excited about all the journaling that we're going to be doing, all the practices that we'll share. And I just want you to know that if you are doing a journal prompt, whether in this program or not, and you find yourself having no idea what to write, get excited, because that means that your mind is being pushed to think about something that you've literally like never given yourself the space to think about before. And I think that's really one of the best things that we can do. So happy journaling, be calm, be cozy, and if you're interested in doing some really cool, powerful journal prompts, join us in June. Proud to Feel is still enrolling. It's at the link in my bio under Apply, Emotional Healing Deep Dive, because that's really what it's going to be. It's going to be just us digging deeper than maybe we ever have before and doing some really powerful self-discovery. And so I'm really excited to be welcoming all of the people that have joined so far, and I can't wait to give you a big welcome celebration too. So join us if you are intrigued, and I'm just so excited to be able to share this with you. Bye, my love.